Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordan. If you're new here, today's video is going to be a demo and review on the new Makeup by Mario SurrealSkin Awakening Concealer. So if you're interested in my thoughts, keep on watching. So this is what the unit currently looks like. It is your typical Mario packaging, okay? It's that same black and white, sleek packaging. It does have the shade on the top, so the shade that I have is 460. This is the component. Again, very uniform with the rest of the Mario line. And then I picked up the shade for a highlighting shade. So here are the claims of the concealer. So it retails for $29. It comes in 20 shades, I believe, but let me double check. It comes in 22 shades. So it claims to be a pro performance multi-use concealer that visibly lifts, blur, and brightens your under eye and complexion for a awakened appearance. It has medium coverage, natural finish. It has caffeine that helps to visibly reduce puffiness and dark circles, fermented marine microorganisms that smooth skin with collagen-like stimulations, and a visibly tightening effect. Visibly tightening effect. Okay, I should keep that in mind. It is a medium coverage but buildable formula that conceals even the darkest under eye circles. We're gonna see about that because y'all know I have my little discoloration from my glasses, so that's my main concern when it comes to concealers nowadays. All of the shades are crease proof. Mario. Long wear with self-setting formula that locks in with a natural skin-like finish. Caffeine visibly depuffs, tightens, and smooths skin for a weekend look. So now we gotta test the self-setting claim. We're not gonna put any powder on today. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this on. Again, the shade that I have is 460. It is a flat, pointed doe foot applicator. That's what it looks like. So it has a little point on the end, of course, and then it's more flat. All right. Let's see. It's supposed to be buildable, full coverage, conceals the darkest of circles. Okay, a lot of claims. We're gonna start off with that much since it's supposed to be so full coverage. Multi-use. I like that it says that it's multi-use, so you can definitely use it as your foundation, especially since it's supposed to be self-setting. Huh. We'll see how this goes. I do love the Mario foundation though. I'm testing out another complexion item, so that's why I didn't put on the Mario foundation today, but I'll definitely wear this with the Mario foundation to see how it works. But that's it so far. All right, since it's supposed to be self-setting, I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending this out in the T-zone. You can definitely see that it's like pigment based. Blends very easily. Now my main concern when I was choosing a shade was the shade range for this concealer. I don't know, for some reason the undertones weren't calling to me with this concealer. I felt that they were a little dull. I don't know, but we'll see. Because when I was trying it, I didn't have any makeup on, so I decided to go for 460 to brighten. Already I know that I'm gonna have to add more to my under eye around my nose because you can definitely see that dark spot already. I'm gonna go in with my puff. I've been using my puff to blend my under eye lately, so we're gonna use that. Alright, I'm gonna go back in and just add a little bit more concealer to the inner portions of my eye. Alright, so this is what the concealer looks like so far. It's pretty smooth. Building it up definitely gave me the coverage that I would typically like for my under eye area. So this was looking like, I'm like, how do I feel about not setting this under eye area? I'm gonna set the rest of my face, but the under eye, I'm just like, but it's okay. It's okay. We have to test out the self-setting claim of this concealer. I'm going to work today too, so hopefully it does claim to be self-setting, and it's gonna do so because I don't have time for my under eyes to be creasing. But yeah. Looks nice. I like the way that looks, especially with like the foundation and everything now, guys. So I have on my cheek products. This is what my under eyes looking like. It's already creasing. I can't do it, you guys. I can't do it. I have to set it. Don't be mad at me. Ooh, it's already creasing. So self-setting, not for me. I have to go somewhere, so I'm gonna set my under eyes. I'm sorry, but typically I will set my under eyes. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna use the Danessa and set it real quick. All right, so my makeup is all done. All I did was put on brows. This is the regular, the Gucci Stylo Sourcils Retractable Brow Pencil in Noir. I have everything linked down below. But for my powder, for my under eye, it did go in with the Danessa Myricks pink powder. As you can see, it looks much better. Smooth. So we'll see how it wears throughout the day. The concealer was smooth on its own, and the powder on top of it looks really good. It didn't move or anything. I'm not sure if you guys watched my last video, but I tested out the Makeup Forever concealer, and anytime I set it, it just kept on moving no matter what I used. Whatever day I tried it, it just kept on moving whenever I tried to set it. So that didn't happen with this concealer. As you can see, it's pretty full coverage under my eyes, so it looks good. The self-setting claim, though, for my under eyes, I just don't think it's gonna work. Started to crease in my fine lines. So no, maybe for your face, not for my under eyes. So I'm not sure if it works for somebody else. That's great if it did, but for me, I'm gonna put my powder on under my eyes. So this is what everything is looking like. Looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. For my lip, I did go in with the Makeup by Mario. What is this called? The lip serum thing. It's in caramel. Looks like that. So, yep, that's what I have on my lips today. We are going to have our makeup on for about 13 hours today, so I will definitely come back and let you guys know how everything wore. Alright guys, it's the end of the day. I've had my makeup on for 14 and a half hours, and this is what the concealer is looking like. I don't know how to gauge this. Only because it was supposed to be self-setting. I don't feel like it was self-setting on me. It started to crease. But once I did blend everything out and set it with powder, it's like perfect. You guys, it's not creasing. It's not settling. It didn't fade or anything. As you can see, I do have on another skin tint that's more radiant. And then my under eye area, it's like more soft matte. Of course, the powder helps, but I think that's the concealer as well. Just setting down a little bit more. I really like it. Like, I like the coverage. Let me zoom in. Like, I could feel like you can distinguish, like, the coverage from the concealer. Like, yeah, we have fuller coverage, and then the face is like a skin tint. So, I think it looks really good. You guys know that I typically have an issue where the concealer starts to look a little wonky where my glasses indentation is, but it's not horrible. I mean, you can still see a bit of a shadow, but it covers it better than most. This is nice. I like it. It's very lightweight. I think I really like it. I'm gonna try the concealer with like Mario complexion and see how I feel about it, but right now I'm thinking that it's gonna be a top shelf concealer. I really like the way that this looks. I'm not gonna wear it without setting my under eye. But if that works for you, please let me know down below. That's gonna be it for today. Everything will be linked in the description box down below if you're interested in trying anything out. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jordan. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up because it helps me out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.